pepper in my apron?
Because you're a chef.
All right. Hi guys, welcome to Simple Snacks with Chef Alexia. Today we're going to be learning how to make a simple and delicious banana ice cream milkshake. Don't forget guys, whenever you start cooking and after, you always have to clean your area and keep it sanitized. So first things first, kids, is we're going to come back over here to the sink and wash our hands. So after we wash our hands and have our area clean and set up, I'm going to show you what we're going to be using today. First, we're going to have some whipped cream over here on the side to finish up our milkshake. We have some chocolate and strawberry syrup to add for flavor. We have our milk to add for texture. We have our cinnamon and our vanilla for flavor. We have our healthy banana over here on this side. And to make it super delicious, we have our vanilla ice cream. So first, we are going to go ahead and open up our banana. Let's go ahead and put all the trash on the side. Okay, we're going to cut it up into nice thin slices. That way the blender has no problem chopping it up. So now, let's go ahead and take our blender. Okay, let's go ahead and grab those bananas. Remember, our hands are nice and clean. Okay, let's get a napkin, wipe off our hands. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and add in about a cup of milk. So here we have our little measuring cup. I'm going to go ahead and pour that in there. Okay, half a cup. Let's do another half cup to equal 1 cup of milk. Okay, there we go. For our flavor, we're going to go ahead and add some cinnamon. Now remember, if you're allergic to cinnamon, don't add cinnamon. Okay, just a couple of those. We have our vanilla extract. This gives it just a little bit of flavor. We're going to use our little measuring spoon over here. Okay, we're going to use half a teaspoon. Okay, close that up. We're going to put that over here to the side. Okay, and now let's put in our ice cream. Okay, so we have our vanilla ice cream that we're going to add into the blender. Okay, let's see. Ooh, nice and smooth. Okay, so we have one big old scoop. Let's get another scoop in there. Okay, and let's do 3. You know what? We're on vacation. Let's do it. There we go. We got 3 big old scoops of our banana for our banana milkshake. Next, let's go ahead and add in just a little bit of strawberry syrup. Okay, banana and strawberry works great together. And let's go ahead and put in our chocolate syrup. Okay, let's give it a little bit of a chocolatey taste. There's other things you can put in your milkshake. You can put in like Oreo cookies. You can put in, peanut butter. If you guys like peanut butter, I put peanut butter in mine. Let's go ahead and add just a little bit of the whip. Okay, now that we have everything all put together, we're going to go ahead and close it up, make sure it's nice and secure. Okay, we're going to put it on our blender. Make sure when you're done, you put all your stuff away. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and turn it on to the, now it's secure. We're going to put it on to the milkshake setting, okay? Our milkshake is all done. We're going to go ahead and get a little taste test going. Do you have any volunteers that want to come up and try one? Oh, we have our fitness instructor, Ruben, today. He's going to come in and try our banana milkshake. What do you think, Ruben?
That's tasty.
Thank you for joining us today on our segment of Simple Snacks with Chef Alexia. We'll catch you again next time.